Introducing the Azden Ni-Go-Maru series, a collection of 4 professional XLR shotgun microphones, each designed with a particular video application in mind. The Ni-Go-Maru series delivers high-quality audio performance and world-class build quality at a very attractive price point. All 4 models in the Ni-Go-Maru series have the same sonic characteristics: detailed and natural sound pickup with a full range frequency response, low self-noise, and a tight supercardioid polar pattern. And all 4 models are backed by Azden's amazing 10-year warranty. What mic you choose will ultimately depend on your particular application. At nearly 10 inches in length, the SGM250 is a great all-around shotgun microphone for booming or mounting on camera. It's the only model in the series with a dual power option, working on either phantom power or a AA battery, with virtually no difference in performance between the two. And it features a low-cut filter for mitigating low-frequency noise. The SGM250P is exclusively phantom powered and is a good choice for more budget-conscious users that do not need a battery option but still want a low-cut filter. The SGM250P is half the weight of the SGM250, making it a lightweight option for handheld boom pole applications, and its 8-inch length makes it more practical for mounting on camera. Optimized for run and gun, the SGM250CX is a 6-inch long shotgun microphone designed specifically for compact, on-camera mounting applications. It comes with an XLR microphone cable already attached, so it's fully plug-and-play with any camera or mixer equipped with XLR inputs that provide phantom power. The SGM250MX is the world's first professional shotgun microphone to include an attached cable with a mini XLR connector. This makes it the perfect microphone for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera series, which includes a low-noise, professional mini XLR input that is far superior in quality to the 3.5mm input. The SGM250MX's short 6-inch length makes it ideal for mounting to a camera cage. Learn more about the Azden Ni-Go-Maru series at azden.com.
Ni-Go-Maru